Subscribe right now, man, for 10 years of good luck, man. I'm sure you won't regret it. I know you need it.
Money be talking, I remember they ain't never seen. Why you the only one I want? I got several reasons. I keep that Glock, I die for you and I forever. Got everybody hating on us and I know why. Money talking like a preacher and there's no lie. Won't say a word when it go down, I hit the block with that milk.
What's good, nation? 𝐁𝐄𝐋𝐋 here, aka NLN back another reaction video, you feel me, man? Today I got Sierra with me. Hello. The beautiful Sierra, you feel me, man? Tell you right to the LYNYRD SKYNYRD Freebird live at the Oakland Stadium, you feel me, man? The Coliseum Stadium, you feel me, man? I think, who told me this? Nicole, yeah, I saw you. I saw it. I'm gonna react to it, you feel me? So, hey, whatever. You finna dive right into the rest. Make sure you like, them, subscribe if you're not.
Then do it.
Let's get to the heat. Actually, before I start this video, okay, so some of the dudes at my job, they know I do YouTube, and they like, hey bro, have you ever heard of LYNYRD SKYNYRD? I'm like, who the fuck is LYNYRD SKYNYRD? I don't know who that is. And they said, what they say something about him? He did some, I don't even know, because I don't want to mix it up, but he did some extreme. They said some, I guess, I don't know.
Extreme?
Yeah, he did
like what?
some, I don't know, like.
Like what?
I don't know. I said, because I didn't know who it was. I'm like, is he or she like a artist or you know, whoever? He like, he said he's a he. I'm like, so he's not a he? Like, I don't know. They said some other stuff.
Wait,
so
what
I
do you
don't
mean?
know.
Like crazy? Like what did he do? Where they tell you that he did?
I don't know.
I know.
What?
No, I'm just kidding.
Whatever. apologize if I'm not talking, but this is my first time hearing LYNYRD SKYNYRD, so
There's a lot of long solos in this song.
I mean,
A lot. This song makes me want to cry.
cried it. Go ahead.
No, I'm not gonna cry. It just makes me want to
Smell sweet love, oh yeah. Though this feeling I can't change, but please don't take it so badly, 'cause the Lord knows how to blame.
No.
He is hitting that motherfucker.
I've always wanted to learn how to play guitar like that.
Could play. Isn't it like a different guitar?
An electric guitar?
Electric guitar.
I have an acoustic guitar.
Can you play that?
One song. Well.
One of the great ones, LYNYRD SKYNYRD. Let's hear it for them. Man, that band's so good, you'd think they would have from San Francisco, wouldn't you?
My mom was at that concert.
At this concert?
Yep. No, I'm just kidding. My mom wasn't even born.
Yeah, that was good. You
It
know
was
what I'm
intense.
saying? Yeah, I mean, especially when they turned up. You know, it was slow, and they just turned up on us. But like that, you know what I'm saying? See, rock like this, I could be okay with. You know what I'm saying?
It's the old type.
Maybe that. Like I like when they do the little, you know, guitar solos and
I
showing
could do
off
that on a rock band.
they showing off they talents. You know what I'm saying? As far as how well they can play the instrument. I like that. So I'm guessing because LYNYRD, he was just chilling after that. I saw him just laying back on the drums. He was just sitting there like just
Probably
letting him go
hot.
off. I mean,
It looked hot.
I'm guessing he didn't sing.
She had a sunburn.
He didn't sing after that at all. So he was just sitting there chilling, and they was just rocking out. You know what I'm saying?
They was getting their timing.
Doing what they do. You know what I'm saying? It's decent.
I learned how to play guitar.
And actually, how many people was at this particular concert? I want to know.
A lot.
Leave it down in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how many people was at this concert. You feel me? I should say convert at this concert. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, gang, this is the end of the video, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below if you're not already. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications if you're not. If you don't have them on, turn them on right now.
Turn them on.
Turn them on
Right now.
You gotta say it like you mean it.
Turn them on right now.
Look at the camera.
Turn them on right now.
There you go. Anyways, until the next reaction.
We out.
I got a K, it hold 100, but I got lazy. Only put 90. Money make your whole team vanish. That's a paper trick, origami.